Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to append multiple queries into one queries. Combining two queries or multiple queries in Power Query or in Power BI is one of the most basic and also essential tasks that you will need to do in most of data preparation scenarios. There are two types of combining queries, merge and append. Database developers easily understand the difference, but the majority of Power BI users are not developers. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to append two or multiple queries use the Power BI or Power Query. So let's start. A band means results of two or more queries, which are tables themselves, will be combined into one query in this way. So the rows will be appended after each other. For example, appending a query with 100 rows with another query with 30 rows, for example, will return a result set of 130 rows. So the columns will be the same number of columns for each query. For example, the first table will containing four or five columns, and the other one will have the same number of columns, which is four or five numbers, five columns. So I'm going to explain to you using this Excel file, which representing HR solution. In our example, we have two sheets or two tables which contains the same number of the columns, and each columns has specific types, and the columns, each columns from each tables has the same types. So let's see one of the tables. So the first column is called employee, the name, the family name, the department, and the job title. So in this table we have those data, and in this table we have those data. So let's move now to the Power BI desktop. So this is the Power BI desktop. Let's click on Get Data. We will import data from Excel. Let's click on Excel. Type. Let's choose the file which containing the sheets or the tables. Let's just wait until finish connecting to the HR solution Excel file. Let's just wait a little bit. Okay, so here we have the two sheets or the two tables. So here we are loading the first one, and we load also the second one. Let's click on load. Let's wait until the load will be complete. Just a few seconds. Okay, the load has been completed successfully. So here we have two tables, but as you can see here, the name of the columns is not specific as we see here. So we will make some changes on each table. So we are going to choose the first row as the column headers. I'm going to show you how to do it. So use first row as header. So as you can see here, we have the first rows is our header. So the code employee. Let's check the data type is text. Okay, text, text, text. Okay, everything is okay. Let's move to the other one. Here we have now two queries or two tables with the same number of columns and the same nature or type of columns. So let's here, as you can see here, we have the append queries option. So we have two options: append queries in the same one of those queries. So we will see, for example, the data employee, this one, following by the data from the data employees. Let's show you how. And as you can see here, we have the data from the first from the second table. Here we have data from the second table into the first table. Okay, so just let's remove those changes. Just let me uh, just remove those rows, or you know, let's not to do it. It's not our subject from this video. We did that in one of our videos. Just please check our channel and check how to discover the Power Query editor, and you will see how to remove rows as we want. Okay, so let's append our queries as a new. So the first table is data employees 1, we will choose, and the second table will be data employee. Let's click on OK. And here we go, we have new table, which is showing us data from data employees, following by data employees 1, following by the data employees. Okay. The append is similar to onion all in transact SQL. So what about duplicates? Append queries will not remove duplicates. You have to use group by, for example, or remove duplicates rows to get rid of duplicates. Okay. So what if columns, now the question that we have to ask is what if columns in source queries are not exactly matched? That's what we are talking about. So a band requires columns to be exactly similar to work in the best condition. If columns in source queries are different, a band still works but will create one column in the output per each new column. If one of the sources doesn't have that column, the cell value of that column for those row will be null. Okay. So thank you all for watching this video. I hope that you enjoy it and it's a benefit for you. Please try to check our videos from our channel, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like to the video, and comment how what you want to see in next video, and see you in next videos. Bye.